As filing of nominations are ongoing for the 3 assembly constituencies in the state, the National People's Party (NPP) is all set to field candidates for the forthcoming by-elections scheduled for the 30th of October this year. Speaking to the media on 7th October, this, he said, is evident from the fact that people in these constituencies have seen how the NPP has been working not only in the state but throughout the Northeast.
Now with the candidates and everything very clear who's going to contest where, it is very, very clear, and NPP is very, very confident that in all the 3 constituencies we have an edge. And the people of all the 3 constituencies have seen the work that we have done, and they want to be with the party, and they've seen that how the NPP has been working not just in Meghalaya state but throughout the Northeast. And so today, with the way the opposition is in a very, very weak position because of the situation at the national level as well as the situation within the party at the state level, we as a party, as NPP, are very, very, very confident that in this coming election, by-election that is there in 3 constituencies, NPP will sweep all the 3 constituencies.
While speaking about the strength of the Congress party as opposition, Conrad Sangma said that after having earlier contested in elections, he has realized that it is never wise to underestimate the opponent. However, he added that the party will not take things for granted but would give full commitment to ensure victory to all the NPP candidates.
In politics, and especially in election, I have contested 5 elections myself, and I have realized that when you underestimate your opponent, that is when you are already on the wrong foot. So I have always believed, and I always guide and tell my candidates that never underestimate the opposition, never be overconfident. So seeing the situation, yes, we are confident that we will get through, but we are not overconfident. We will never underestimate the opposition, and we will ensure that we don't leave any stone unturned and give our full commitment to ensure that we win all the 3 seats.
As far as the support of the UDP to the NPP candidate from Forthcoming constituency, Pinyat Singh's aim, the Chief Minister expressed his gratitude to the coalition partner for their support. He added that each of them has every right to look into their own party's interest and of that of the coalition as well.
No, we have been very clear with all our coalition partners that as a government and as coalition partners, we respect each other, and we always will work to support each other wherever possible. But whenever there is a situation where the party's interest, the individual parties' interests are there, we will always allow those interests to be there, and we will not interfere with those. So therefore, in the case of Forthcoming, the UDP had decided that they would not field a candidate, and hence they decided to support us. And if there was a situation where we had not put up a candidate in Moplang, maybe we would have supported the UDP. So therefore that would have happened, but as the situation unfolded, we were able to get the MDC, sitting MDC from Moplang in our party, and in this aspect we had also communicated this to our coalition partners, and we have all together unitedly decided that yes, every party has a right to look at their own interest, but at the same time there should also be a look towards the interest of the coalition wherever it is possible. So in those situations today we are thankful to the UDP for having extended their support in Forthcoming constituency.